Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now you can see the scroll bar button. So we'll replicate this now. I've designed it already. You can see. So the next thing we do is to try to put the numbers inside the frame. I've already framed the numbers to make it easier for myself. You can frame, you can group it anyhow you want it to be. So let me try and drag it inside the frame. Okay, make sure that it's inside the frame. Very good. So let's make sure that it's aligned already. Very good. So the next thing we'll do is to duplicate this frame. Now you can do your design anyhow you want to do your design. I've done mine. So just to demonstrate how to make a functional scroll button. Now we can raise the numbers up. I think the last number there should be 21. We'll make it visible inside the same frame. I have dragged the spacing. Don't worry, we'll correct that. Okay, so let's make sure that it's not on top of the blue is it blue icon. Very good. So you can send it back so that it will not be on top of that. Pick a number or so. So the next thing is our scroll button. Let's bring it down. I'm using arrow key on the keyboard. I don't want to use my mouse. Just want it to be perfectly in line. So let's make sure it goes down. So after this, the next step we'll follow is just to prototype it. So do your own design the way you want it to your test, and just this is an illustration, so you can use it for your design and all that, right? So it's a very good. Okay, so let's try and prototype this. Click on your prototype. Click on each. Remember, I grouped this. You can see it's a group with the line. So click on the icon, that's the scroll button icon, and send it to the frame. Then on drag. Yes, then it must be on smart animate. Smart animation. Very good. So you repeat the same process in in frame 2. The same thing. Very good. Smart animate. Then now we are done. We can easily prototype this. We can easily present this. Click on presentation and see how it works. So it's loading. Very good, we're almost there. So let's see if it works perfectly well. Very good. So it works perfectly well. So you can design your own and follow the same step. So it's not a very hard thing to do. If you're a UI UX designer, just showing the concept on how you want to achieve what you really want. So by showing you the concept, you can achieve whatever you want to achieve with it. UI UX design is all about concepts and understanding how it works. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more simple videos like this. You can see what we have produced in just few minutes. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button, please. So that's just it. So you can, as I said before, redesign it the way you want it and all that. That's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.